Jeremy from Around the Bend Adventures, coming to you from the back of the Power Wagon, getting ready to start another day here in Colorado. Cold morning, got down to a little bit below zero, and I've just been waiting for the sun to come up. Got the heater going, just warming the truck up. I'll get started with my day here. Sun should be cresting over those ridge line there soon, and hopefully it'll start to warm up then. Here comes the sun. It's going to start to warm up soon. My little thermometer fell off the side of the truck, so I had to go by the lowest it was when I checked before I went to bed, and that was -5. So I don't know where it is. It's probably gone. Oh, time to get out. Gonna make coffee. See what it looks like outside. Yeah, not a bad view to wake up to. Still a little chilly though. Gotta warm her up a little bit. It's chilly out. Oh, you can check the dash, see how cold it is. Well, 0 this morning. Alright, so that's cold. One of the nice things about being cold at night, I got these Yeti ice pack things. So every night I just take them out and leave them outside, and they freeze solid. Then I put them back in the cooler. Don't have to buy ice that way. Heading into town of Kremling. It's about a 40-minute drive because I want to fill up the truck before we got a big storm coming tomorrow, and it's going to be pretty nasty for the next couple days. So I'm actually going to be kind of coming off the mountain here and heading down to the Front Range to stay in Fort Collins and see my sister and whatnot, because it's supposed to be like 10, 15 below out, all kinds of snow. So if I don't fill, I just want to make sure I'm filled up so I can get done work tomorrow and get on the road. Felt this view is absolutely stunning. It is really beautiful out here in Colorado. And you got views like this when it decides to be clear enough. Hello, just coming to the end of another night or another day up here in mountains of Colorado, and just settling in. We got a big snowstorm coming tonight through tomorrow night, so there'll probably be snow on the ground when I wake up. But right now it is windy. It's even shaking the truck. It's so windy. But yeah, that's about it. Not too much. I had a microwave burrito for breakfast for dinner when I went into town and got gas, so didn't really videotape cooking that. And now I'm just chilling. So see y'all in the morning. Hopefully we'll have some snow. and I'll be able to get out of here tomorrow afternoon after work. Well, good morning. Jeremy from Around the Bend Adventures coming to you from the back of the Power Wagon up here at Bluebird Backcountry Resort. We're sitting at about 8,800 feet, and it snowed a ton out last night, and it was windy. I could feel the truck shaking, but it feels like it's warmed up a little bit. I got the heater going and all that, so it definitely is taking the edge off, and it's nice and comfortable. And now I'm just chilling out. I got a bit before I have to start work, so try to check in. Let's take a look and see what it does outside. Wow. Yep. It's snowy out. It was a beautiful day.
Does happen to what's going to happen. We might fall slide 10 feet kind of down or so. If I do end up in the creek, will you guys come help me?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
This is a partial barrier.
Yeah, it's a partial. Reason not to go?
No. All right. Let's do this. No, he's
Heading down cougar hunt. I really like that name. Woo! Just finished up another day out in the field with a Rec 2 avalanche safety course. What a great day. It was cold and it warmed up a little bit, and we got a ton of snow, as you saw this morning, and it was awesome skiing. Now I'm heading to Fort Collins for 3 or 4 days. I just got to come off the mountain. It's been cold, and it's supposed to be really cold the next 3 nights, like -12, that type of thing. And I just honestly ain't feeling it, and I don't have much to do. I'm not working the next 3 days, so head down to Fort Collins. Got some college work to do. Got a bunch of videos to edit together. Yeah, and I'll explore Fort Collins. Probably see my sister. She lives down there. I don't know. Might do some fishing. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. But goddamn, what a great day. What a great trip so far. I really underestimated the amount of energy I'd have to make more video while working. It's a pretty big order to work and make content at the same time, so I apologize that it's not as much as I'd hoped, but hopefully what I got you guys like. So yeah, I'll talk again soon.